Hey there, today we're going to be talking about dropshipping warehouses. Why would you need a dropshipping warehouse, what it is, what's your benefit, and basically we're going to go through all of the points, how when you're dropshipping right now, how can you get better prices for your products, more profits for your products, quicker shipping time, and reliable suppliers. How can you make sure that you control the inventory, that you're not the slave of the AliExpress supplier, but how can you actually grow from the dropshipping to a model that is a little bit more stable, that gives you more control over your business, more profit over your business, overall happier customers. And the way that we do this is basically we're using Chinese dropshipping warehouses. So instead of buying products in bulk and sending them all to the US or to Europe or wherever you're selling, and having to invest all that money up front to cover the long lead times, what we do is that we buy every week. We place a little order with a supplier where we buy in bulk and then we send it into a Chinese dropshipping supplier. So that we only do with product that's proven, right? So if you have a dropshipping product and it's selling already and it's proven that it's selling, then you can move away from the dropshipping on AliExpress, where the AliExpress supplier is shipping out one by one products directly to your end customer. But what you would do is you would go on Alibaba, or you would hire a company like ours to help you source products in bulk, and then every week you buy products in bulk from your supplier, how many ever you need for the week, right? You ship it into a Chinese warehouse, and then whenever someone buys from you, they send it out one by one again to your customers, to your buyers. Now, why would you do that, right? Because you're still kind of drop shipping it, right? But first of all, you have this control over your inventory. Because if you buy them in bulk and you store them in a warehouse, you're not reliant on a AliExpress supplier that tomorrow could tell you, oh, we're not selling this product anymore, or oops, we're out of stock, and for the last week we didn't ship out anything anymore, so you might need to refund all your customers. Okay, well, you have complete control because these are your products, you own them, you have them in stock. Also, if you buy in bulk, the prices are tremendously better than if you would dropship them. Because now you're not buying one product. Now you're buying 100, 500, or 1,000, or 10,000, how many ever units, and you put them into the Chinese warehouse. And this is actually something that I want to announce because we are just doing that. We created a dropshipping fulfillment center that's under my management, that's under our control, where we allow you to store your bulk orders, and then if a customer buys from you, we send out the product directly to that customer. And we also do it the same day. So maybe you've noticed that in AliExpress, if you place the order, it might take 2, 3, 4 days for the AliExpress supplier to actually ship out your products. So it adds on to the long shipping times that they use anyway. So we can ship things to Europe within 9 days. Because we're shipping a lot of volume, we get really good conditions. So because we're not only shipping for you, but we're shipping for a lot of people, our shipping conditions are a lot better, right? And then we store it for you. You have 100% control over your inventory. You have more profit margins. Your customer is receiving their products in good conditions. They are happy. You are happy. You don't need to worry about anything. And we, do the service for you. So obviously we charge a tiny amount for that. But that's just win. So if you want to get better profit margins, if you want to have control over your fulfillment, if you want to have happier customers, then just move from drop shipping your products from AliExpress, move to having a Chinese drop shipping fulfillment center. And for our business, we looked through tons of different fulfillment centers, and all of their prices were crazy. All of it seemed like it was a lot of hassle to communicate with them and to actually find someone that will treat you right and that has good shipping conditions, because they all seem to take like a little hidden fee on those shipping conditions. But we're just very open and transparent. We just take a one-time fulfillment fee for each product that we do, and then that's it. Everything else is open and all cards on the table. So if you want to get in touch with that, there's an email and there's a link to book a call with me in the description below. Obviously, every product is unique, and some products are bigger, some are smaller, some might be some beauty products that need to be that need to go through the customs and all different kind of things. So we need to see what product are you selling, how many are you selling, and then we can just give you a custom quote, jump on a call with you, speak about whatever you need, or you just send us an email. You can find all of the details below, and I'm excited that we can soon just fulfill your orders. I look forward to that, and I'll catch you in the next video tomorrow. Have a good day. Cheers.